This is how to draw Chef Pigster from Garten of BanBan. First, we're going to start out with the nose. It's just an oval. Draw a little circle for the nostril. And then draw another one. And come up here and we're going to draw a little eye. Add a pupil. Over here we'll draw an eye. Give it a pupil. Come over here, just a little bit above and over to the side of the nose. And we're gonna draw the head that comes up. Just continue on down to the other side. Then come up here, we're going to draw two lines here. And then draw a curvy straight line here. The line come out a little like this. Go to this side, make the line come out like this. And then connect these two lines with not a perfectly straight line, but one that kind of curves a little to the top. And then draw a straight line here. Here and here, and above these lines we're going to draw curved lines on each line that connects, and then do this facing this direction. Then right where the hat touches the head, we're going to draw a triangle shape for the ear. Then a smaller shape inside. Go to this side, triangle shape for the ear, smaller one inside. Then above the eye, we're gonna draw his little eyebrow shape. Another one over here. Then underneath, we're gonna draw his little sleepy eyes, bags under his eyes. Now come about here and we're gonna draw the body shape. And come to this side and draw the shape. Draw his belly coming out here. And it curves in and connects. And we're gonna draw the arm tucks behind his belly. And draw a little line here to suggest the finger. Come over to this side. The arm goes behind the belly. And draw a little line here. We're gonna draw a big smile shape. And continue it down and around the shape of the bottom of the belly. And we're gonna draw an eye here. His eye's bigger than the one on his head. Draw the pupil. Draw an eye here. Pupil. Give him an eyebrow. Then a bag under the eye. Eyebrow. Bag under the eye. Now we're gonna add some teeth. Draw a little bit of a square shape. And draw a longer one. Draw a shorter one. And a longer one. Come down here in the middle, we're going to draw a big tooth. And draw some teeth going out to the side and getting smaller. And draw them on this side. Same thing. Goes off to the side and gets smaller. Then we're going to draw a line here the line here. Add a line here, and a line here. Draw a little toe, and a little toe. Over here, draw a line, and we gotta give him some toes. And that's how you draw Chef Pigster from Garten of BanBan. Be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.